So, Fake Love by Winky D could be one of the first Zimbabwean proper AI videos because the other ones just look more horrible. So it goes something like this. Okay, so how do you play that? So the chords that you need to know first, don't put a capo here. I just put a capo here because I've got 12 strings. So I down tune my guitar and put the capo there so that the guitar doesn't like shred my fingers. Okay, so the chords that you need to know are C, just a normal C, right? You just Google what a C looks like, right? And then C, and then G, and then E minor, and then D. So you have to write these down. You get it? Whenever you watch my videos, you should have a notebook to write things down. And then it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So can you see it's a pattern of 3 beats and 5 beats, and then when you count, you're counting the downstrokes only. You're not counting the upstrokes. So it's like 1, you see, 1, 2, not like 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 1, 2, 3, and then 5 times, 2, 3. That's how you should practice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're done with that, now let's expand the chords. Some people call them suspended chords. That's just a lazy way to do it, but it works actually. Okay, so let's start with C, right? So what you do now with the C is called a trick, right? I just call it a trick with my students, but that's just a name. So you take these 2 fingers, the last 2 fingers, the 3rd and the 4th finger, and then you put them on the 3rd finger, you put it on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. 4th finger, you put it on the 1st string on the 3rd fret. And then the remaining 2 fingers, you play the remaining notes of the C, right? So remember, C was like this. And then now it's almost kind of still like that, but then with these 2 fingers down there. And I think that chord is a C suspended 2 maybe, right? When you feel like everything is clear, and then now we're going to the G. So for the G, so the trick is like you want to play all the chords but without removing these 2 fingers there. So we started from C, right? And then G, you just move those 2 fingers up, and then E minor, those 2 fingers are still there, right? No compromise. And then you put it like that, E minor, like that, right? So first finger goes on top of 2nd finger, not the other way around. And then after that, a normal D, right? You first a normal D, and then after that you put that finger there. That's a D suspended 4. That's why they call them suspended chords. You get it? So from top is like, and then E minor, and then or, right? So let's play with our pattern. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We're getting closer to the actual sound, but we're not quite there yet. So what's left here? Let's see. So it's like, so now there is a strumming pattern. So instead of just going down, up, down, up, down, up, you go like, right? So it's like down, nothing, down, up, nothing, up, down, nothing, down, up, nothing, up. So you just have to practice that. If you haven't done that before, you have to practice very slowly at first. So, down, nothing, down, up, nothing, up, down, nothing, down, up, nothing, up, down. And then with our counting, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. I think this is a jam.